love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here.
Hey everyone, so I got this unit from Hurela Hair and I am absolutely loving it. I'm just styling it for you guys on camera right now. This is a body wave unit. It's a natural black color, 13x4 lace, and I think it's in the length 20 or 22 inches. I'm going to let you guys know the prices of those two lengths during the video, so stay tuned. Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with a new video, and today this video is sponsored by Hurela Hair. They sent me this package a while ago, but I actually got to finally style this unit. Now, I want you guys to take a look, or a close look, into the lace, because it's actually pretty transparent and it's pretty movable. Like, yeah, I just used the Got To Be glue today. I plucked it a little bit. I didn't have to pluck it that much or anything, but it actually looks pretty good. And let me tell you, so in the beginning, it was really hard to get flat, but I had to put it on a canvas head, which I did. And then I went in with my hot comb and then like pulled like the strands back from there, like pushed it to the back. And then I made sure I made a part, and then I kept using the hot comb on it, and it finally laid down flat. So if you're having issues with wigs that kind of just like go everywhere, make sure that you kind of put it on a canvas head first, and like, because it's actually a lot harder to lay everything down on your own scalp. Like, you don't want to mess up, like you don't want to burn yourself or anything. So I was able to do it, I think, pretty successfully, and everything laid down. Baby hairs don't look the best, but I'm not that great at doing them anyway. They sent me their 13x4 lace body wave wig. This is pretty much in a natural black, or yeah, this is like in a natural black color. So you are able to dye this if you want, or bleach it, but I would just leave it. The hair quality itself is just very, very soft. I didn't have any issues with like the quality of this hair. I felt like in the beginning it was just hard to make everything look very natural. So yeah, basically I had to pluck it. I had to make sure I used the hot comb like crazy, and everything finally laid down, because the way that the wig came, it's like this, like the hair strands were kind of just going in all directions, so everything was like very volumized, which I didn't really want. I like my wigs to lay flat, so like it took me a little bit for this unit. I'm gonna go in and put some foundation on the part though really quick. Actually, let me just use a mirror while I'm at it. I just put some foundation on the part. Okay, yeah, that looks a lot better. Wow, that made a huge difference here. I'm glad that I did that. Anyways, yeah, so I got this wig from Hurela Hair. I'm gonna get into the specs of this, but this is how long the hair looks. I did like cut a little bit of this, so I would say this is right now like a 20-inch. So I think it's really cute. And oh, I also gave myself curtain bangs, which I've done before on my channel. Like, you guys know how that works. I just literally make sure I taper everything down and then I curl it backwards. I could have made them a little bit shorter, but I usually like it to be at this length for myself. So yeah, man, I feel like this could be a wig that I wear more so than my brown one. I might end up selling the brown one. If you guys want that one, I might end up selling it, because I don't really wear it that much anymore. Well, I do, but like I'm gonna probably wear this one a lot more because I like how it looks more natural. Yeah, I might end up wearing this one and might sell the other one. So anyways, the price of this unit though, yeah, the 13x4 body wave unit, I'm pretty sure they didn't tell me like the length of it, but I'm gonna just guess for you guys. So if you're getting a 20-inch, it's gonna be just $200.10. If you're getting a 22-inch, it's only $232.10. So this wig actually, it's a good price. And for what I did to it, like the plucking job that I did, and oh, I also bleached the knots. So that made a huge difference on this unit, you guys. And I made sure to pluck it, and I sewed an elastic band in the back, and I also made sure to use a hot comb on top of it. So yeah, you know, it was a lot going on here. So yeah, I feel like I have a very like 90s hairstyle going on, which I usually go for that style anyway. But yeah, it's very, very pretty. Very, very bouncy. Maybe in a different clip, I'll show you guys how I curl this unit. Just straight like this too, but it's very, very flowy. Hair is very springy. So yeah, I really do like this unit. What else do I want to say about this? Shedding, barely any shedding at all. Again, this wig is very good as far as the quality, the hair falling out or anything, or just it's snagging. I've already washed this unit one time because obviously I had to bleach the knots. So once you bleach the knots, you have to wash it. So yes. And yeah, I really do like how realistic everything looks on this unit too. I don't know what lace this is. I'm not sure if it even said it was HD lace, but it looks like it. But it looks like it after I bleach the knots. So it could just be good lace that you're able to customize yourself. Yeah, I don't really have anything else to say about this unit. I took a bunch of Instagram pictures in it earlier today. And so I have this little like cute set on that I made, not made, but that I put together. Okay, yeah. This is what the shorts look like. Oh yeah, I'm not sure if they sent me anything. They did. So Hurela sent me lashes. They sent me earrings, as well as a wig cap, which is not my color. Well, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 because I did have, well, maybe 8. Because I had to put in some effort into customizing this unit, but I will say the result is pretty good. Like, yes, I'm gonna put Hurela's information down below. I will be starting my wig business very soon. I just have to find a hairbender that I personally like myself first, and then I have to get into customizing everything for you guys and see how that goes. So pray for me, but I really want to start this journey because I know that a lot of you guys are always looking into buying my units and everything whenever I sell them, but this time the units will not be used. They'll just be customized by me, and I'm gonna really have a try at this and see if it works out for me because I want to start this. I'm kind of just tired of the journey that I've been taking so far, and so if I start this, I might end up really liking it. So yeah, I'm a lot happier today because I've just really put that into perspective, and I feel like it's more of possible now that I'm moving, and that I'll be able to save more and actually invest more into this. I'm super excited about it, so that's a relief, honestly. And yeah, so I hope that you guys liked this video from Hurela Hair, and I will talk to you guys later. Okay, bye.
You'll never feel the way